Bakit ayaw na nila? Bakit kaya laging umaalis ang mga magagaling mong employees? Alam mo anak, ganyan din ako dati. Frustrated at stressed. Kasi parang revolving door ang business ko. Hire, train, then biglang resign. Paulit-ulit na cycle. Akala ko noon, ganun talaga ang buhay ng isang business owner. When my top performer left, I felt deeply hurt. I trained her myself for some time, tapos bigla na lang nagpasa ng resignation. Kinausap ko siya at nalaman ko na hindi pala compensation ang issue. It was because wala siyang nakikitang growth opportunity. Diba? Minsan akala natin, alam na natin ang problema, pero we're only seeing the symptoms pala and not the root cause. Kaya I started conducting exit interviews to really understand bakit umaalis ang mga tao. Ang lesson ay ito. Retention does not start when someone threatens to resign. It starts from day one with proper onboarding, clear communications, at pagpaparamdam na valued sila. Remember anak, mas mahal maghanap, mag-hire, at mag-train ng bagong tao kaysa alagaan ang existing employees natin. Turnover is not just about the cost. Kasama rin dyan ang nawawalang knowledge at nasirang team dynamics. Kaya importante ang culture na may care at growth. So, ask yourself, what's one thing I can improve to make my business a place where good people want to stay? Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.